Welcome everyone. I test a lot of AI tools every week, but the Manus AI tools is just an impressive. If you haven't heard about it before, it's a new general AI agent. Manus AI isn't just another chatbot or a workflow. This is the truly autonomous agent that bridges the gap between conception and execution. We usually have seen that while other AI has stopped on generating ideas, but here the Manage delivers results. The website to Manage is manage.im. On the GAIA benchmark, designed to evaluate general AI assistance on real-world tasks, Manus has achieved state-of-art performance across all three difficulty levels, surpassing AI deep research and SOTA. In terms of real-world performance, Manus has been rather impressive. Early users have praised the tool's remarkable ability to perform complex tasks end-to-end with little to no help and minimal instructions. Let's take a look at few examples. Number one is game development. Manus showed impressive game creation abilities that go beyond what most AI agents, even ones designed for coding, can produce. 3JS Infinite Runner. With a single prompt, make a 3JS endless runner game. Manus created a complete playable 3D browser-based game. Another impressive example is a Super Mario-style platformer created in the Minecraft visual style. Though slightly buggy, it's still very playable, complete with enemies and score tracking. Now let's go and see some use cases that is provided by Manus on their website. You could analyze and you could get details about stocks. Here the use case Manus is showing is about Tesla stocks. So let's go ahead and see this live. How quickly Manus will analyze the tasks and give us the results. As this use case is pre-recorded, let's go ahead and skip to results. Once the stock analysis and investment insights are completed, Manus will give us a clear and concise dashboard here. So when we click on the dashboard, we got a lot of details about Tesla stocks. So this is very interesting. We are getting executive summary, financial performance, valuation analysis, marketing position, and a lot of other things. So, if you are interested in learning stocks or you are already the stock specialist, you could use Manus AI for your learning and growth. Let's go ahead and see another use case from Manus. List of YC companies. Let's open that, play it, and Manus will start the research analysis and thinking for giving us the perfect and amazing results. Let's skip to results. Manus has done a lot of research and give us the list of all the companies here and also give us the company's table file that could be downloaded. Let's preview this file as the PDF. Amazing. We could print it as well. Let's go ahead and see the last one, comparative analysis of insurance policies. In this use case, we could see Manus is comparing analysis of travel insurance policy. I don't understand much about insurances, but I think this could be very important and useful in real life. Let's skip to the results. Manus is generating the file. If you see the comparative analysis of travel insurance policy, we can see the provider, we can see the overseas medical expenses in Singapore, medical evacuation, and existing conditions. This is the great and perfect details. We also have key insight, we also have trip protections, personal accident and liability, and a lot more details. So, if you want to choose or you're finding a perfect travel agent for you, Menace could be perfect for you. There are a lot of use cases we can see here, and this is confirmed that Menace could perform a lot for us with a diversity of feature, taking from trip to Japan in April to online stores operation. You could explore more use cases. If you have few minutes, just come here and explore all of these use cases and you will be amazed. So now let's talk about how we can get Manus. Once you are on the Manus website, just go ahead and click on Get Started. At the time I'm recording this video, Manus is invite only. If you want to join the wait list, we can see here for activating our account. Welcome to Manus. We are currently in private beta. To get started, please enter your invitation code. So to get an invitation code, you have to click on join the wait list. Now, when you came to join the wait list, you could enter your email. What use case would you like managed to execute for you? What is your profession? What is your work email? And what are your social media account? So please note that all these requirements are not compulsory except these two requirements entering your email and what use case would you like Manage to execute. Once you will fill this form, Manus will take you to this page. Thank you for your interest in Manus. We have received your request and will review it soon. Once approved, we will send a notification to your email. So once you will get a notification in your email with a code, you could go ahead and get started and then you can just get login with your code. Thank you for joining me in this exploration of Manus AI. We have seen how this innovative platform can transform the way we interact with technology, from enhancing productivity to enabling creative expressions. We have discussed some exciting use cases which highlight the versatility of potential of Manus AI in various fields. I hope this video has inspired you to explore the possibilities with Manus AI. If you have any questions and want to share your experience, feel free to leave a comment below. And don't forget to like and subscribe this video for more insights into cutting edge technology. Thanks for watching and I look forward to see you in the next video. Take care. Bye.